Who died in Tuesday's chopper crash while rescuing stranded people in flood-ravaged areas of Uttarakhand were given a guard of honor in Dehradun on Friday. The Russian-made Mi-17V5 helicopter belonging to the IAF crashed in a narrow valley near Gaurikund in Uttarakhand. On board were 5 IAF personnel, 9 from the National Disaster Response Force and 6 Indo Tibetan Border Police men. These brave hearts were given the guard of honor in presence of Union Shinde and Chief Minister Vijay Bahuguna. Chief General Bikram Singh, who is in Uttarakhand, also paid tributes to the troops who died in the chopper crash. Meanwhile, the Uttarakhand government today informed the Supreme Court that the ongoing relief and rescue operations across parts of Uttarakhand will end. Multiple agencies involved in the rescue operations in Uttarakhand are wrapping up their rescue missions in Badrinath and some other parts of the state today. The task of clearing debris and searching dead bodies taken by the state government.